I present to you me laying lace with Onyx me. Okay, so first I am moisturizing my hair. I use the pink oil lotion and the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. It's really good. I was just like going through my hair with my fingers because I just didn't feel like getting up and getting a rush all the way from the bathroom because it's in the bathroom. So I just washed my hair. But you also want to, put oil in there when you're, to seal it in, seal that moisture. Mucus. Okay. I'm brushing my edges back. You always want to do that so you don't have don't get you spray. I don't know. You want your edges. That's what I'm saying. And wig cap time. Gotta put some makeup to blend. So you trying to be giving scalpiana. Okay, I'm starting to put the wig cap on for now. I didn't have anything else in my vicinity, so I'm using a makeup brush that I don't really use to kind of push scalpiana. Glue it down. Yes. As I'm speaking, the wig is very on. Can't pull it off. It's gonna be hurting. So I know what I'm talking about. You always want to use your elastic band because those, you really need those if you really want to melt that lace. And for some reason, the wig cap broke my eyebrow razor that I was using for the wig cap. So yeah, I switched to scissors. Scissors is honestly my favorite thing to use, though. It's really easy. And you see how the wig cap is kind of getting is it staying down? If that ever happens, let me show you to fix it. You gotta get some of that spray, some of that freeze spray, whatever free spray you use. I like the Ebon. I just started using it. It's very good. I honestly think it's better than Got2b, even though I've been using Got2b for years. But that's just what I think. Now I'm just cutting off any of the excess wig cap that I do not need. And gluing time, squeezing the life out of that bitch. Some more spray. When you do this, you want to make sure that it's kind of tacky a little bit before you put on the wig completely, so it's just easier to put on and that it isn't sliding back. Ooh, hate when that happens. I'm kind of getting it nice and tacky. And now I'm finally putting that baby on. I need to figure out a new name for her because I name all my wigs, so I gotta get a name for her. Putting that elastic band on. Also, I was struggling quite a bit with this elastic band because it just kept falling off. It was making me so mad. But it's pretty good now. Now you see me cutting the lace. I try to cut off as much lace as possible without trying to ruin the wig. Sometimes when you cut the lace, you can see that there's a few little pieces that are sticking up. Well, if you want to fix that, you gotta put some free spray on there, and then you gotta put your band on there. It's always free spray, band, and then put it on for 10 minutes the first time. I like to do it 2 times, sometimes even 3 times.